like a random chick. You done forgot who introduced you to rocks and popping all that Chris. Who let you hit it from the back any way that you like? And any desk I can pay the price. I thought it was a chick you would make you right. And now a bitch can't even stay the night. I can't even look in your face without wanting to slap you. Damn, I thank God I ain't get that tattoo. You gotta thank God I ain't had a strap, boo. You ain't even worth that trick, get at you. Matter of fact, trick, get at dude. I'm convinced I ain't got shit to ask you. Tell that chocolate bitch she can have you. I ain't looking at you no more, I'm looking past you.
Know that I got her phone, but she here. I'm gonna show y'all.
And I really want you to stop playing with me.
Together for a minute. Mine feels funny to be doing something different, but it's all good. Me and you finished. You calling me a player, but a nigga ain't tripping. And I ain't saying that I don't love you, but I don't think you love you like I do. But it's okay. Wasting time instead of trying to get you back and get you back in my life.
Okay, y'all, so it's day 2 of the fast. I've done pretty good so far. It's freezing. I wore some shorts outside. Oh, look at the sky. Oh my God. Anyway, I'm headed to the store to get me some snacks. I picked up some almonds earlier, like whole almonds, and they're disgusting. So I'm about to go get me like some peanuts, some or walnuts, and some kind of other healthy snack. I don't know, y'all please pray for me. Okay, you guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is the 3rd. It's a Saturday. I'm currently headed to pick up my friend Alicia. We're going to look at some cars. So I kind of know what car I want. I'm just gonna go take pictures and send it to my daddy. I was thinking about last year, I was thinking about getting the Kia Optima. I really like that car. But now I definitely want the 2017 Nissan Maxima. Oh, that's definitely the car I want. So I'm just gonna go pick up her. We don't have anything else to do today, and I can't go out to eat. I'm still on my on my fast. Have my peanuts right here and my water. I've been doing pretty good. Last night I was struggling because I didn't know if gum was considered candy, but I read online that it is. So I bought gum, but I can't chew it until next month. But no, social media has been going really good. I'm enjoying my life. This morning I woke up and I read, I told you I was reading Leviticus, so I read a few verses of Leviticus this morning instead of getting on Snapchat and Instagram like I usually do. Let me tell y'all. So my friend guy, this man, he was supposed to be doing the fast with me. I texted him the first day, 2 days ago. He was like, oh, I just woke up from a nap. Me and my uncle, we went to Burger King. And I'm like, nigga, you can't eat that. And he was like, dang, I completely forgot. This phone is heavy. He was like, dang, I forgot that fast. I was like, you couldn't last a day, really? Like, you're a cheater. Like,
Ma'am.
no, because tan is too light. It's like you know what peanut butter look like.
But we don't have one with peanut butter.
So you can't order one?
We can. Come with navigation system built in. Y'all see anything?
Right to my vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Y'all. So the plan is, let me tell y'all the plan. The plan is to get in. I don't know. Like my dad and my mama, they could do half.
Oh, it was down. I was gonna say, where them side lights come from? It didn't have side lights, did it?
Y'all.
And they start out at 33 and go up to this price here, 42.
So this one the SV.
How do I let the sunroof down?
Difference is just going to be what's the added features. SV is just leather heated seats.
How
SL
good do I
is
look in
leather
this, y'all?
heated seats. The backup
Good.
camera with the lane departure, moving object detection, a Bose system. Then the SR is going to give you spoiler, different set of rims, dual panel sunroof, the all-around camera system.
Y'all got the little USB ports back here. Nice seats. Sunroof. Sport and normal option drive. Put that thing in sport. And then yeah. But I want the peanut butter seats. Look at this seat.
What you got now?
To Zaxby's. I took her to Zaxby's, but I ain't getting nothing but some ice. Won't he do it? Fleeing from temptation all 2018. Country when you go out looking like this. So it is around 8 o'clock. I'm about to go to Walmart and get me some bagels. Y'all know I'm fasting. I've been struggling with not eating snacks. So I'm gonna go get me some bagels and cream cheese and some peanuts. Cause these almonds right here are disgusting. Like, y'all know how I feel about your guy.
I'm on them sticks. I got it drip, drip. I'm overseas. D-R-I-P-P-I-N-G. I got that V-V-S-I-C-E. Oh, like a cool juice. Blame it on my jewel.
Bagels. And then I got some blueberry swirl bread with this blueberry cream cheese. Well, and I got some more beef peanuts. These are super, super good. Tell y'all this is gonna be my new snack. Bagels and bread with blueberry cream cheese. It's lit. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to go to church. Ignore this Bible on the floor. I was reading it this morning. This is what I'm wearing. Pretty ready to go to church. So let me turn it down. Okay, if you're in the Hattiesburg area, like, okay, the church I'm going to is called Real Life Church, and the pastor is Robert Johnson, I think, or Jay Johnson, one of those. He's really good. So if you like a smaller church with less people, then I would recommend going there. Excuse my room, it's a mess. Like, yeah, I just got out of bed, finna go to church. On the side, yeah. Church, y'all. Taking pictures. Such a shame.
Amen. When you're not spending your week trying to figure out the next dollar. Come on, somebody. What are you going to do with your time? When you're not spending your phone time returning calls to the creditor, what are you going to do with your time? Amen. When you're not going back and forth to the doctor, checking on this and checking on that. Is your level up? Is your level down? What you going to do with your time when you don't, when it's not tied up with all of that? God, I thank you that you worked it out. I'm telling you ahead of time. You worked it out. You got no respect to persons. You did it. He heals. Come on. Yes, he does. Could give you big situation. Could give you a real God. You had it figured out. You tore stuff back down and you made me over. Just when I thought you had leveled out, you started making it back over. God, just when I had money saved up, you started making it back over. Thank you for knowing what we didn't know. It didn't feel good, but it was for my good. There's got to be somebody next to you that you got to tell that to. It didn't feel good to you, but it was good for you in the long run. In the big bag. You see, some of y'all been sick. And when you've been sick, you don't get strong instantly. Can I tell you some good news? The sickness is gone. The fever broke last Sunday. Last Sunday night, the fever broke. You got back in business last Sunday night. Help me, somebody. I don't know what y'all did before I got here. But I know the glory is coming back. It's coming to my house. It's coming to my address.
ugly angle. Hold on. I was just coming on really quick to let you guys know how church was. It was amazing. My friend, we went together, as you guys saw. I really enjoyed myself. I love Pastor Johnson. He's like one of the best preachers I found in Hattiesburg. So I'm so tired. I need to work out. So if you're in the Hattiesburg area and you're looking for a church home, then definitely check out the Real Life Church. It's on South Lake Road on 49. So I'm with you guys.
Help!
Please.
Well, I told her put the seat on. Put it on.
I can't never do nothing without them being extra.
Police, I'm gonna bite you. Bite me.
Let the seat up, Aaron.
All right, she just got a lick on my head.
Let her go.
I'm turning red.
Y'all.
Don't you yeet.
Hey, if you're under him, you ain't getting nobody.
Help! Shay, I can't feel my neck.
If you're under him, you ain't getting over him. Hey, Bookie. Get my fucking Get my phone. Why your ponytail like that, Aaron?
Because it looks good. That's how kids wear their style this time. Are you mad? Or are you pressed?
Get my phone, girl.
Oh, I like this song. Turn it up.
I look down at my phone and the green light is blinking on.
Girl! Guess who I came to get?
Shay, can we go to Walmart like the old time? Can you see my phone? I want to look at your wallet.
Y'all, so my daddy, he fixed me some red beans and rice. This is my favorite food. I don't know who ate some. I'm finna go confront my mama.
Show me. Show me on the camera.
Oh.
Can you please tell her no one cares?
Girl. Wow. Okay, got your little 3 seconds of fame. I wrote, I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
Okay,
And my
I'm
mom
gonna take this.
wrote, I'm glad. Come pick it up right now before I tell my mama. She wrote, I'm glad.
You a snitch.
She needs help. Pick it up. Aaron, I'm not gonna play with you. Don't ever in your life write on my box and don't ever eat my food again.
Who said I ate some?
Cause you're you and you're just overly large.
You should have got me some here.
Don't worry. This girl is supposed to be doing a fast with me.
I didn't eat it yet.
Okay, family. So as you guys know, I'm fasting in February, so I can't eat nothing basically. As you know, and I haven't broke it yet. Like I've been very good. This girl over here eating chips, she just chowing down. Look at her. You content too.
Listen.
She don't care.
Say we get one cheat day.
No, I did not say that. That's not what fast is. You made that up.
That took a weird turn. I just need you to describe the suspect. Well, his skin color, if you have to ask, apparently we live in a world where we have to ask about that. Oh, you see everything through skin color. It's a dark white. I don't even know what that means. Dark white skin. What? Take the shade of white. Darken it. Good few shades. Okay, sir, I'm not sure that I follow. Black, okay? The suspect is black. Is that what you want to hear? He's black.
Y'all know how you get a new phone and it's all big and luxurious and you go back to... What? And then you go back to your old phone and it's just so small, like...
This ain't your phone. This is my phone.
I mean, yeah, it's her phone, but like...
What's up?
It's the same phone I had. And it feels so small. Like, what did I do with this? Hi, Aaron. This little girl's so bad. Let me just look.
Oh, man, look who the wind
Look what the wind dragged in. Or blew in. The cat drug in. Come on. Hey, Patty. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray, like today. Let me tell y'all how childish me and my cousin is. So I text my little boyfriend, guy friend, whatever you want to call it. No, she started it. She texted her friend and she said, sorry, Charlie. And he was like, who the... And so the dude I talked to, he just texted me. The dude I talked to since he pissed me off last night, I just texted him. I said, what you doing, Kevin? He said, what is Kevin? Hold on. And I just texted back, oops, wrong person. Let me see what... I'm going to be back with an update.
He said, I'm not laughing.
You so childish. Y'all, do y'all ever make y'all man mad on purpose? Comment down below. Cause I know I ain't the only psycho. I know what we at. I know
We're not.
We're not the only psychos.
We
who do
can't
that.
be.
Yeah. He texted back and said, Shay, that better be your cousin. He said that better be my cousin. Oh, do we got a cousin named Kevin?
No. Do we?
Let me stop. Let me stop making people mad.
Oh my goodness, he's mad at me now, so. Was it worth it? It was. You guys, text your man right now and do it.
The Shay and Yana challenge.
Say, what are you doing?
Say, what you doing?
And then
type
call him
another name.
Just like that.
Now, if y'all end up
after
single.
After that, say wrong person.
When he texts back and be like, who is that? Be like, oops, wrong person.
Right. And
okay, but if you end up single, it's not our fault, okay? It's not our fault. We're not responsible. Y'all know, this is what your food look like when you fasting. Oh, God. I don't eat. I'm fasting. But no, this is what your plate look like. You give me a little bit of protein here. A little bit of carbs and, You really want to play today, Pat?
Go sit down, Shay.
You don't bother me.
The baby be smile. She gonna change though.
What you talking about?
You don't be talking about how to put like all the information for you right here. If I can save it for you.
What you label? Hey, that part of your brain for me.
Yeah, if I can tell you when you come home and when you come.
Y'all.
That's cute. I like that. I like that.
Listen, so have y'all ever like killed somebody in your brain? Like if you when you start like messing with somebody, you have a funeral in your brain for them. You ain't never did that.
No, you going.
Okay, so no, when somebody is dead to me, like they really dead to me, I have a funeral in my brain for you. You're dead to me, like. I need help.
Pay attention. I'm pouring out my heart over. The way. Don't change this.
Oh, you thinking dirty? I was thinking you could rhyme me, Miss Kentucky Derby. Dream about it. Let's take advantage. My body on your body, hope that you can manage.
Damn it. Real. I look fat. I ain't fat, y'all.
Ask her what she thinking, she replied, I'm a beast.
Family, I just want y'all to know that I'm currently stuck at my friend's house in her yard because it's muddy and my went all the way up to the front door because I was too lazy to walk and now I'm stuck. My uncle is on his way to get me. It's like freaking. I'm so upset. I'm so upset. Uncle gotta come save you. I'm telling y'all. Bro, my uncle just came to get me out the freaking ditch. I mean, after I was stuck in the mud. Guess what? He gone home, left me. Now I'm stuck in a ditch. I'm literally sitting lopsided in a ditch. If that ain't it, I tell you. Look, this is me. Like, I'm in a ditch. So please, if anybody want to help me, it's like 11 o'clock. Please come help. Come this good.
I gotta put this on the snap.
And she thinks stuff funny though. I'm telling you, come my uncle on his way back. But why would you leave me if you know I can't drive at night? I don't need a new car. I don't, because I'll be pissed off.
God.
There go my uncle right there. Good thing we live like 2 seconds away.
Oh, this bitch got stuck again. She is legit in my. Look at this shit. Shay.